Hey, what's up YouTube? How's it going? It's me, Tobias here. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate that. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and like this video. That helps me out a lot. And today I have a video for you guys on how to fix your cigarette lighter / power outlet on your car. The title of this video might be a little misleading because a lot of the time you might think that your cigarette lighter or power outlet is broken, but in reality, it's just that the fuse got blown. So I'm going to show you guys how to switch out the old fuse for a new one. Alright guys, so I have my phone plugged in to the charger. As you can see, it is not charging. And it is actually the fuse that got blown. This has happened to me before. What happened is I tried plugging my air compressor into here and it blew the fuse. So this is going to be specifically for a 2008 Dodge Avenger. It might be different from car to car, but what you want to do is check your owner's manual and do this. So just go into your index and look up where it says fuses, and in my manual it is page 404. So we'll go ahead and turn to that page. So page 404, and then we're gonna look for the cigarette lighter or power outlet. You want to look under description and just look for the where is it? Here we go. Cigar lighter / power sunroof mod. I don't have a sunroof in my car, but yeah, I guess if that fuse blew, the sunroof would also not work. But yeah, so it says right there cigar lighter, and it's gonna need a 15 amp fuse, and it is going to be cavity number 16. So I went to AutoZone and I bought some fuses, 15 amp fuses. These were about $4 and it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So now we're gonna go and pop the hood. If you have the same car as me, like, you could follow this exactly how I'm doing it. Yeah guys, my fuse box is located on the right hand side of the engine bay, so you're just gonna want to go ahead and open it up. Let's see oh, there we go. And then on the reverse side of the lid, it kind of gives like a diagram of like where everything is, and number 16 is right here. So we're gonna go over here. The last time I had this done, I had my mechanic do it and they put in a 20 amp fuse, but that's pretty close to 15, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, let's go ahead and take that out. So that's the old fuse, and you can tell. Let's see if we could zoom in on it. It's too bright outside to see. You kind of see where it blew, like it's like dark in the middle. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get the new one. It's got the new fuse, and let's just go ahead and pop it in. Cool, there we go. Now before we close it up, let's just make sure that it works now. So I'll plug the charger back in into the phone. And look at that, it works now. It is charging. Now we can close everything up and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, so I hope that helped you guys out. So if your power outlet or cigarette lighter thing in your car is not working, it might not be actually broken, it might just be the fuse is blown. So go ahead and try replacing the fuse. It's cheap, it's easy to do. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, that helps me out a lot. And if you have not done so yet, check out my channel, subscribe to it if you like what you see there, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.